Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be jumping again into skincare because my skin have been so dry lately and it's just so intense that I had to go to Sephora and just grab a bunch of things. So we're going to go into the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty today. So if ever you want to know what I think about this cream and if it actually works on my dry and acne prone skin, then continue watching all the way to the end. But before we get into this, make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let's get into it. All right, you guys. So one day out of many, I am wearing a lot. Like I just have to say that I am wearing a lot of the mask. I'm wearing half my face of makeup. A bunch of things. So my skin was screaming for help, and even now, like I know this is chocolate. It's nothing else. Okay, don't judge me, but it's something else. So anyways, I passed in front of Sephora, and obviously I have to stop at Sephora, and I was looking for a cream. So I went on, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money, and I wanted to hunt for some deals. So I found this Your Future Looks Fab. This is from First Aid Beauty, and I was like, why not? Because this kit right here is like $64 Canadian. It's a value of $148. Like, this is a crazy deal. Okay, love it. But we're not gonna review everything in this video. We're just gonna review the cream for today. And the good thing about this kit, just have to say it, the cream itself, 170 grams, is $48. So you just add not even $20 and you get all of these products in it. Anyways, just so you're going to see a lot of like these products coming soon. Anyways, let's jump into the cream. It's pretty big. Honestly, for 170 grams, $48 is not that bad considering that a lot of the other creams on Sephora are like tiny for the amount. So this is an amazing bang for your buck already. The Ultra Repair Cream, it is for intense hydration for dry, parched skin and safe for sensitive skin. So I do have like a lot of things happening, right? I'm just going to go into the details a little bit. So it is a fast-absorbing, rich moisturizer that provides hydration for dry, distressed skin, which is me right here. And for dryness, fine lines, wrinkles, and redness, it is a heavy cream. And there's also some highlighted ingredients in there, which is shea butter, which is amazing. It is also non-comedogenic shea butter, by the way. And it will moisturize and support the skin barrier with vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids. And there's allantoin, which calms and soothes the skin. There's a bunch of ingredient callouts and other stuff. It is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and comes in recyclable packaging and is reef safe, which is always amazing. Okay, so the reason why I got this thing in the first place, okay, is because it was an award-winning. Everybody was talking about it like, I don't know, a year or 2 years ago. I don't keep track of time, okay? So, but I was like, I need to try this for my skin. So as you can see now, there's not really any shine. It's pretty dry. And the first time I opened it up, I was like, looks pretty cute, you know? It looks kind of like a whipped consistency, which is so weird to me. That was like a memory, kind of going down memory lane, because my mom used to buy a cream at the drugstore that has the same consistency. And like it's completely different ingredients, but the consistency is exactly the same. So it reminds me of the Glaxel base. It's going to be right here on the screen. The consistency is so much the same. It's insane. So like when I applied it, I was like, wow, it's like exactly the same. So when you put it on the skin, I do like go in layers. So I put a little layer. If I need a little bit more, then I apply a little bit more. So like I'm just going to apply a little layer and look like it's already like absorbed into my skin. You can tell that it is quite parched and it needs some hydration. I was using this like for like a few days since my skin was so like irritated. I would just like wash my face with water and like a mild little cleanser, and then I would put that. I wouldn't even put serums, nothing. I was like, I'm not putting anything else on my skin because this is just insane, and it was going berserk with everything. I would just touch my skin and it would just break out. I don't know. Some days, some nights, some weeks, that's what it does. But honestly, like, it's so good. Like, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I really like the cream. I feel like it's really good money, like money-wise and like amount-wise. It's not that expensive, and I've been using it not only on my face. So one layer of this on my skin, my face, is not enough because I have very dry skin. So I applied one thin layer all over, and I also apply under my eyes like this, because you can use those creams under your eyes. You don't need, like, if you don't want to buy eye cream, you don't have to, you know. I love eye creams though. Like, am I biased a little bit? Maybe, but I always bring it all the way under my eyes because my eyes are so dry, and I bring it like under my eyebrows, especially that now I just like plucked and it's so irritated that this is really gonna soothe everything. So like this, right? And then what I would do is I would bring this, since there's so much product, I really don't feel guilty bringing it down in my neck and also putting it on my hands at night. So this just loves. And already you can see I have a little bit more life into my skin. Like, it's a little bit more dewy. I let it go into my skin before I reapply on my face. I don't want this to be too heavy in any way, shape, or form. So like this. Now I'm bringing everything down my neck because I'm like, whew, I don't want to get any wrinkles or anything. So here is the second layer. And now my skin feels good, you know, like it's not dry. It doesn't like hurt. Like just now, like I washed my face, I put my serum, my treatment, and then I was waiting to do the video before putting my my cream. But honestly, it just suits my skin so much. Like, look at this. Like, it calmed a little bit the redness on my skin. Of course, like, this is not gonna go away. Like, it's not gonna go away. It's gonna take a few days, so this, you're not gonna see any of the redness going down that much. But other than that, like, my skin is a little bit more dewy, a little bit more like hydrated, moisturized, all of these things. And the direction of this is apply from head to toe once or twice daily as needed. So you can apply more than that. So me, like, I could put that in the little jar container and then bring it with me and then reapply because I'm so dry. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what's wrong. And winter's coming, so it's going to be even worse and worse and worse. But this definitely helps my skin a lot. It looks better. My hand, I've been putting so much sanitizer on my hands. They are like cracking, and this is definitely helping my hands and my neck because of this weather and all of this alcohol sanitizer thingy. My skin is so, oh my god, from all these different angles, it's just hurting. All right, so there's other information too that I wanted to talk about. It is written on the Sephora website. You can go check it out if you want. But there's clinical results of this in an independent clinical study with 21 participants. Users reported 2 times more immediate increase in skin hydration, which, do you see the subtle glow? Like, I didn't put any oils, right? But you see the subtle glow. It looks a little bit healthier, you know what I mean? I do agree. In a consumer perception study with 21 participants, after 2 weeks, 100% reported the product helped soothe, moisturize, and condition the skin, which I've been using for 3 weeks now. Like, I've been, you know, using it with a bunch of other products. Mostly I've been using it on my hand and on my neck and a little bit on my face and everything with all of the other products that I have after just using this for a while. I think I used this when I first started for like a week straight of only this, and it soothed my skin so much. Like, I needed it. I had it with me. I was just reapplying throughout the day, especially on my face, on my skin. And I would like wipe to make sure that, like, if I needed more, I would like cleanse my skin with a little wipe and then apply some moisturizer because I don't want like to put bacteria back on my skin, if you know what I mean. Anyways, if I can even explain myself. So I would do this, and it really helped in hydration. And if I want to boost even more, like what I like to do with this one is that I put this and then I add petroleum jelly on top, or like Vaseline. It's so amazing. I'm telling you guys, this is like the best trick ever that I can give you. Anyways, that's what it is. So do I recommend this cream? I feel like it is good if you want something more than just you know, hydration. I don't think this is gonna be for you. This is just for hydration, and if you have like extremely sensitive skin, like that's gonna be the thing for you. If you want treatments, anything, you can pair it with your treatments. There's like nothing in there that's really gonna interact with it, so that's why I just use this. Like, I put something strong on my skin, I'm like, whoo. I don't want any other like ingredients. I just put this on top and I'm good to go. You know, I don't have to worry about anything. And anyway, so I really recommend this product. I feel like it's a really good one. I love it. Like, and obviously, I am using the cleanser at the moment. I'm using the face cream. And I tried a little bit the eye cream, and then the scrub, and then the bump eraser. Anyways, I'm going to be reviews on all of these things. So if you want to see something in particular, please tell me down below. I would love to know which one you want to see next out of these beautiful products. Tell me down below if you shop for these kits. Like, every time I do like a deal video, that's the kind of thing that I recommend, because you got so much for your buck, girl. Like, go get kits. Like, stack on. Like, it's the day, especially with Black Friday coming. Like, if you want to do your Christmas gifts, everything is the time. So anyways, do you want to see another thing for Christmas, Black Friday, anything? Tell me down below as well. I would love to know. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to like the video, comment down below again, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So, love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys!